and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve Soma 6-pack puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Lucy Powles and made by Pelikan. The Soma 6-pack was made using two different types of wood, Padauk and Benge. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 9 out of 10 on the Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to put all parts inside the frame in such a way that both openings will be covered and there will be no sticking out parts like you can see right now. This puzzle is called Soma 6-pack, but it has only 6 parts. If you are familiar with Soma puzzle, you know that it has 7 pieces. There is the 7th piece in this puzzle, but it is built into the frame. As you can see right here on top, there is a 4-piece part, and it occupies 4 voxels inside the frame. So you have to keep it in mind that this is the 7th piece, and you have to put the rest of the parts around it in such a way that one of the pieces you will put inside and then up to cover this opening. If you like how the Soma 6-pack puzzle looks and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So first of all, as always, I will show you how to assemble all 6 parts outside the frame, and then we will put them inside the frame. So I'm going to start with this piece. It goes first, then this small piece goes on top of it. This is going to be the piece that will cover this tiny opening. Then we have to find this part, and it goes right here. The next piece will be this one. It goes right in this corner. This large piece will go right here, and the last one will be this corner piece that goes here. And now we have to imagine that all these parts are inside the frame now, and we have to remove them. So this one goes out first. Then we can remove this part, then we can remove this part, then we can move this part to the right, up and remove, then this piece will go out, and then the last one. And that's how you solve this puzzle. So we're gonna put this piece inside the frame. No, we're not gonna put this piece first, we're gonna put this small piece first and put it inside the opening. Now we have to put this piece inside. Make sure that the small piece is covering the opening. We have to... Oh, now it is not covering the opening. Yeah, now it is. Now tilt the box so that the big piece will move under this one. Now we have to grab this part, move it to the front and to the left. Okay, the next step will be to put this piece inside, then we put this part inside, and then the last piece, this small one, will cover the opening, and the puzzle is solved. Now we have to remove everything from the frame, since the puzzle is solved when it is solved both ways. But the disassembling will be quite easy, since we already know how to solve the puzzle. Just tilt the frame so that you can remove some of the parts, and the puzzle will be solved. That was the solution of the Soma 6-pack puzzle. Quite an interesting interpretation of the Soma Cube puzzle from Lucy Powles. If you like this puzzle and you want to try some other amazing puzzles designed by Lucy Powles or made by Pelikan, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.